frames here. We've got a bunch of stuff to decorate. We got cushions, some random cloth sequins here. We got some empty frames here. Christmas bag. I've also got a bunch of these confetti things. Sock bag. Is that what it's called? Oh, it's so cute. Thanks, Masi, for giving me this. I usually get my presents in this. Here's a bunch of decor that I already have. Unused waste cotton to make snow, something I really like. Box of my treasure. I've also got this air drying clay and we're gonna use it for a DIY. I'm thinking I'm gonna use it for snowflakes or something. So my plan today is to do some super quick, easy and beautiful DIYs. Before all of that, we're gonna paint my nails. You know, a little self-pampering is necessary. And you need to decorate yourself also to feel festive. This is a box from LA Colors Sequin Queen that was given by my Masi again. I think my Masi pampers me a lot. I love this. I like this color the most, the nude one, and obviously in this one also because it's holographic. Look at that rainbow. I have never had a holographic nail paint before this, so I'm very excited to try this out. I've had this pack for a year now, and this is the only color that I've used. But I think dark colors look really nice in winters. But I wish you guys could tell me which one to wear. Wow, I have such big problems in life. I can't choose a nail paint. I think I'm gonna wear this one. My nails look nice, but they look kind of dull for Christmas. Don't you think? I think I'm gonna add a bit of this shimmer nail polish. Iridescent, I think. Wow, look at that. Wow, that is gorgeous. We've got a lot more stuff. A wine glass. That was for a DIY, by the way. And an entire box of toffees. Not to forget, we have this guy to help us. Merry Christmas in advance. You can call it DIY number 1 if you wish. But this is literally how I like to cover the cushions with my favorite clothes. Here's a red sweatshirt of mine. You can obviously glue it if you wish to make it permanent, but I like to keep changing my covers, so we're gonna leave it like this. And now you've got yourself a nice textured cushion cover. I'm just thinking, where do I put this? I think it looks good here. Now it looks festive. Now that doesn't look good. Maybe if I put this in the bag, this cushion. I think I can hide the switchboard using this. Santa can come and put his gifts inside. I think it looks great. Okay, we're gonna do a DIY now. So I've got this glitter paper here. I got it last year for Christmas. Some used cotton. Oh sorry, unused but waste cotton. Wine glass, a tea candle. This is a glue, a tiny Santa. So essentially what we're making is a snow globe but in a wine glass. And let's see how it turns out. Honestly, there are so many fancy ways of doing it, but I just want a quick and simple Christmas tree. So, oh, I didn't know you could peel this and stick it somewhere. Wow. Wow, there's glitter all over my hands. I am making a waterless snow globe, in case you are aware of snow globes already. So I've taken this lid and I'm just gonna see if the glass stands properly on this. Yeah, and I'm just gonna see if my tree will fit inside this. Yeah, it will. I think Santa's looking super cute. I wanted to put some of these toffees on the tree, but it's not possible. Oops. So here's another thing I made. I had this cloth and the same frame again, and I had these golden wires, the bottle brush cleaner type of thing meant for craft. Ooh, looks much more cuter now. I think I just need to add something red on it. Whoa, I love this. I think I need to add some lights. I must admit I was a little short of time today, but if you enjoyed watching this and you want to see more DIYs on a budget, then subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye!